What if humanity's next home wasn't on Earth? What if the future city of dreams was being built right now on a completely different planet? For most people, that sounds like science fiction. But for Elon Musk, it's a checklist. The billionaire behind SpaceX doesn't just want to visit Mars. He wants to build a self-sustaining city there, with a population of 1 million people, a city that could survive without Earth and possibly outlive it. Welcome to the craziest mega project in human history, the plan to make Mars our second home. The vision Elon Musk has said it countless times: I want to die on Mars, just not on impact. That line isn't a joke, it's a mission statement. Musk believes that humanity must become a multi-planetary species to survive global catastrophes, climate disasters, or even asteroid impacts. And Mars, sitting 225 million kilometers away, is our best shot. It's cold, dry, and deadly, but it's also reachable with resources like frozen water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. SpaceX's goal? To build an entire city powered by renewable energy, protected by radiation domes, and connected through underground tunnels. The technology at the heart of this dream lies one machine, the Starship, the most powerful rocket ever built by humans. Standing 120 meters tall, this fully reusable spacecraft is designed to carry 100 people at a time to Mars. It runs on liquid methane and oxygen, fuel that can actually be made on Mars itself using local CO2 and hydrogen from ice. That's the genius, a closed-loop system that allows refueling off-world. Each Starship will travel at speeds of 27,000 kilometers per hour, taking around 6 months to reach the Red Planet. Thousands of these ships will eventually form what Musk calls the Mars Fleet, transporting humans, food, materials, even robots to build habitats before people arrive. So what will the city actually look like? SpaceX plans to start with Base Alpha, the first human settlement. It will include life support domes, solar farms, water extraction plants, and underground bunkers to shield people from cosmic radiation. As population grows, they'll expand into biodomes filled with vegetation, creating artificial Earth-like environments. Transportation will rely on pressurized vehicles, think Teslas on Mars, while communication with Earth will take 20 minutes each way. And since Mars Day is almost the same length as Earth's, 24.6 hours, humans can adapt relatively easily. It won't just be a base, it'll be a city with schools, factories, entertainment zones, and governance systems. Elon calls it the first city on another planet. Of course, this dream comes with extreme challenges. The temperature on Mars can drop to minus 80 degrees Celsius. There's no breathable air, no liquid water on the surface, and radiation levels are deadly. To solve this, SpaceX is experimenting with 3D printed habitats built using Martian soil and radiation-resistant glass domes. Food will be grown in hydroponic farms, water will come from melted ice, and oxygen will be produced through chemical reactors. Every single thing, from a cup of coffee to a power generator, must be engineered to survive another world. And all of this has to happen before humans even land there. So when is this happening? SpaceX has already conducted multiple Starship test flights in Texas. The plan is to send uncrewed cargo missions to Mars by the early 2030s, followed by the first humans before 2040. But here's the catch. This project could cost over $1 trillion. Yet Musk claims the cost will drop dramatically once Starship becomes fully reusable, cutting launch prices from billions to just a few million. In his words, once you can transport people and cargo at scale, Mars becomes the new frontier of civilization. For Elon, it's not just about rockets or money, it's about human survival. He believes our species has two choices: either stay on one planet and eventually go extinct, or become a multi-planet species and ensure humanity's long-term future. Mars City isn't just an engineering challenge. It's a statement that says, we refuse to let our story end here. So the question isn't if Elon Musk will build a city on Mars, it's when. And when that day comes, when the first human stands under the Martian sun, looking back at Earth, that moment will mark the beginning of a new chapter for mankind, the chapter of becoming a spacefaring civilization. Infonistic, where intelligence meets imagination.